And we reached now in a street food market here at night where you can choose stuff. Now let's see what they offer. Ich gehe mal eine Runde. Bist du dann da? Oder magst du mitkommen? For example, here 2 chicken spring rolls, 50 baht, which is like €1.40 or something like this. And then they have like sushi where you can choose rice, fried chicken. This is, I think, the hot pot to go. You just choose the ribs or whatever you want. And yeah, then you have the mango sticky rice, pomegranate. I don't know what's that. No clue. And here you have more meat things, fish things, and tons of fruit juices for like €1 approximately. Yeah, fried corn, chicken pieces, chicken fish. Oh, squid. And here we got something super special. Crocodile. There you can also choose chicken wings, chicken meat. Ah, the stinky fruit.
Nee, Quatsch, das ist nicht. Das ist
Jackfruit. Yeah. Pork legs. I don't know. Drinks. What's this? Pork stuff. And here you have squid, and you can drink the ink. Is it good? So they give you the squid uncooked, and you can drink the ink. Ah, and the I don't know, the eagle finger, the hedgehog. I don't know how they are called. See, let me see. Baby shrimp. Oh. 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 And next to the food court you can let them eat your feet.
Fish spa.
And next to the fish you can like get a massage. And then buy some stuff. Huh? There's an airplane, that's the one you told me, yeah. And we are on the airplane actually. And more really fresh seafood. Oh, which they fry them off directly for you. And that's what you get for 70. So for 70 baht, which is like €2 approximately. Rice, chicken, you get also some salad, some fried onions, which you just put over the rice. And some cucumber and some sauce, but I will not eat the sauce. Good. And since this was such a small portion, we're gonna get some chicken. Something. Let's see. Chicken meat. What? You can buy the chicken butt. I would just go for chicken meat. I need the proteins. And that's how you get it. 30 baht, 90 cents. That's chicken wing. Good. And as a dessert, a small fruit juice. I've chosen pineapple with passion fruit for €1. And that's the amount you get for like €1, which is approximately, I don't know, 500 to 750 milliliter. And always say without sugar. It tastes amazing. The famous walking street in Pattaya. So let's see. I think they don't like if you film them, so let's see how long. Thank you. They offer you the ping pong show and the sex show and I don't know which show. Live singer. Then you have some nice colorful clubs. You have also shooting areas or kebab. Kebab you have everywhere. Mariana stations. Clothes. I don't know why clothes. Then you have rock stores where you can hear to rock music. A supermarket. Food. Yeah. And everything else. What's up, for the Chinese New Year. And that's the end. And at the end of the walking street you have here like a nice Bali High by the Sea restaurant. Oh man, they are singing not good words. Oh, it's not. Shit. From India, I think. And now thanks to the Pikachus! The Pikachu army with a Chinese dragon in between. Thanks to all the lady boys. Pikachu! And the Chinese dragon. Different street, it's 3 AM and you can do some Thai boxing here. And you don't have to pay, you just put some money in a tip box. It's actually super funny, my voice is gone, sorry guys. But it's 3:30 and you still see people getting massage. And not the happy ending massage, the normal one. At this time, what the fuck? So I'm at the Jamtion beach, any road in between. My hostel is over there behind. And yeah, it's actually a pretty nice road where you can have shops or bikes with shops. And then you have like these nice bars left and right where they go massage or where they start like catcalling you because you're a guy who is walking alone around. And yeah, that's Pattaya. Tomorrow I will show you the walking street. Then you see what's really special. This is the Chomtien walking street in there. This is not the real walking street of Pattaya, this is just a fake version. This is the not lady boy version and girls version. This is just the dudes hunting place where the dudes hunt the other dudes. So yeah, if you're up for that, you know where to go. I will put the address. If not, I will make a video of the real Chomtien road. And if you're up for the real walking street, wait for the next video. I just don't know how I can film because they have like securities everywhere who are like not letting you film because it's like too much. So, hello my friends, I'm gonna show you now today how to make the laundry in Pattaya. I'm here in the place called Simona Laundry, which is in Pattaya South. And you have actually two options. You can just go to a normal laundry where they put like washing and drying in one package, where you pay approximately 80 baht per kilo, which is like €2. Or you can do it manually, where you pay like for 14 kilograms 30 baht, which is like 90 cent. 38 baht is €1, where you can just go in, then you exchange your bills against the coins. You can also get the how is it called, the washing soap forever, and after that you just throw it in the dry, where it costs like 10 baht for 10 minutes. And I put now like 20 bahts for 20 minutes. It's kind of dry, and the rest will dry at the hostel. But yeah, you have different washing machine sizes. For example, 14 kilo and 18 kilo. And here you have like, I don't know, more. 60 kilo, I don't know, 25. And yeah, these are the options. And you have many of these places here, because not everybody has money for a washing machine or the place for a washing machine, since the flats are pretty small. But yeah, overall it's working fine. Just the drying part is a bit meh, but I would just put it in the hostel somewhere to dry. And yes, then theoretically I paid now 50 baht for like, I don't know, 3 kilo of clothes with drying, and additionally 10 baht I bought it in a shop for this, how's it called, detergent. Money saving trip in Pattaya. And if you ask yourself, how long does this session take? That's maybe the only disadvantage. If you have nothing to do, it's like 1 hour 20 for the washing, and then you can decide like for the drying. Every 10 minutes costs like 10 baht, which is like 27 cent.